everyone, welcome to Learn with Ease by Arshia. And by title itself, I think you came to know that today's session is related to agriculture and horticulture, but there is something different. To know what's that, you must watch this video until the end. So, apart from that, my whole lockdown, let me know you, my whole lockdown from the beginning was so sluggish. I was just laying on the couch watching my favorite web series, movies, one by one, and I used to take some time to cover my academic syllabus and back to the routine. Then, one thing I noticed that when you are watching the movie and when you face the similar characters, most importantly, when you face the similar story, you feel so boring, right? So see, every movie is having three main characters. One, the major role that is hero, and the followed by leading role, heroine and villain. Right? There is one more important character that we don't recognize. That plays a major role. In fact, that acts like supporting role. Will have a lot of efforts in the movie, but does not get the required recognition. So that is unrecognized character. So every movie is having four characters. So basically three. I added one more that is unrecognized character. So now come to the topic. This is what exactly happening with the young, students when they are choosing their career. Everyone want to become doctor. Everyone want to become engineer, but most of them don't know. Most of them they are strange about what horticulture is, what agriculture is. See, these are the sectors which play a major role in the economic contribution in economic growth, but they are not getting the image what they deserve. And from all the characters what I mentioned before, agriculture sector. When I say agriculture, it also includes horticulture. So this agriculture sector is playing unrecognized character. Seriously, see, it's all because most of them don't know about this, and most of them are not working to bring the awareness in the people to know much more about this sector. When I came to know that most of the young students doesn't want to, work in this agriculture because they feel that it is not a viable career choice. But let me know you that it is the only sector which is contributing a lot in the positive GDP, in the economic growth, and most importantly it is the only sector which provides more a lot unskilled jobs. See, most of the 90% of unemployment in all over the world is due to unskilledness, right? So here in this sector you will get a lot of job opportunities, and most importantly this sector is also contributes in the foreign exchange at greater extent. So I don't want agriculture sector to be a unrecognized character in the movie, in the sense in the all from all the professions. So everyone, not just we people, everyone should bring the attention and awareness from the government, from the public, most importantly from the business work towards this agriculture sector. This must get the required and deserved image. According to your knowledge, or let me know you that horticulture also includes hardy fruits. So these hardy fruits includes like custard apple, ananas, squamosa and jujubas plants. So these fruits like they even grow in the drought condition. They grow in scarcity areas. Even though in the scarcity area, you can plant this and get the income. And by the knowledge of horticulture, you can plant the vegetable gardens or home gardens in your house, and you can minimize your expenses, you can minimize the expenditure. A lot to know about this horticulture and agriculture sector. If you want to know, just do comment me. And if you want to know about my experience, in the sense when I joined this horticulture, I was completely not peculiar about this. I was completely strange what horticulture is. And when I was studying, when I was in my first semester, when I was knowing the things, I felt really fascinating, because your work and your study is surrounded by plants, and you're working on the plants, you're working on the soil, you're working on the climate. So it's like you're working with the nature. It's the best feeling, trust me. The main aim of doing this video is that making the people know importance of what agriculture and horticulture sector. So they might not having the image from all the other professions, but they play a major role in the economic growth all over the world, not just in India, all over the world. One more thing I just want to say that my next video is going to be something different because I just want to work on one of my request comment I got to prepare the video. So my next video will be on that, and all you have to do is subscribe my channel and stay blessed.